Philippines, hello world at hello kapuso sa newest host ng Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition na si Gabby Garcia. Sino naman kayang sparkle artist ang nililook forward niyang makita sa bahay ni Kuya? Or what if siya ang ipasok inside? Alamin natin yan sa chika ni Nelson Canlas.
Sa kauna-unahang beses umupo sa GMA Integrated News Interviews, si Kapuso It Girl Gabby Garcia, ang new Kapuso host ng Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition. Proud daw si Gabby na maging part ng isa sa pinakamalaki at unexpected milestone in Philippine entertainment history.
Until now, I'm still so overwhelmed. People are constantly asking me, talking to me. They're also curious about what's gonna happen. And ako lang talaga, I'm very, very grateful that I'm assigned to this task. Especially, di ba, syempre PBB has always been such a childhood dream for me. Alam mo, I'm excited also to discover that side of myself. Kasi dito sa PBB, it's more of your authenticity as a host.
Dahil puno ng surprises si Kuya, fight daw siya kung isa sa mga initiations niya ang papasukin sa loob ng bahay.
Nag-audition nga ako dati. So gusto ko talaga mapasok dyan. But you know, as of now, the task is to host. So I'm gonna make sure I do a pretty good job. And let's see where this task takes me. I'm up for anything.
Sakaling makapasok ka sa bahay ni Kuya, sa tingin mo, bakit ka manonominate?
Baka sa kaartehan ko.
Kung papipiliin naman kung sino-sino ang kapuso na gusto niyang makapasok sa PBB House.
Si Barbie. Si Barbie. Like, we always see Barbie's primetime princess side as an actor, di ba? I'm pretty sure people want to get to know her in a deeper level.
Si Khalil. Ready ka?
Kung pinapatawag siya ni Kuya,
ready.
kung pinapatawag siya ni Kuya, wala tayong magagawa. Pero feeling ko game din yun.
Ano yung advice mo sa kanya kung sakali?
Kay Khalil, kung papapasukin
As a
siya.
girlfriend, di ba?
Babe? Siguro, it's more of, kasi he's very introverted. Just talk to people.
May kurot sa puso nang makita ni Gabby ang photo niya nung nag-audition siya sa PBB Teens noong 2012. Noon pa lang daw ay buo na ang kanyang pangarap na makapasok sa showbiz. Nagpapasalamat siya sa Panginoon dahil hindi raw siya sumuko sa kanyang pangarap. Kaya't full circle moment ang pag-host niya sa Pinoy Big Brother ngayon.
Happy lang ako na, you know, eventually God made a path for me and ito pala yun, kaya pala dinelay niya ng onte kasi inaayos niya pa. Sabi ko nga, may 12-year-old self must be so proud. Iyak yun pag nakita niya ako ngayon.
What would you say to that girl now?
Ay, oh my gosh, you know, just keep going. Just keep going, just continue to focus. Count the little things, you know, count the small wins. Be patient and you'll get there. 12-year-old Gabby knows how hard she worked for her dream. That's why, and she's very blessed to also have supportive parents. Ang laking factor niyan. So, I'm just really grateful and I hope I made my 12-year-old self proud.
You did.
March 9 na magsisimula ang giant collab ng GMA at ABS-CBN sa totoong serye ng buhay, ang Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition. Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happening.